Students, heading toward the second question of this exercise, and the question is, add appropriate prefixes or suffixes to the following root word. We have already discussed that what basically prefixes and suffixes are. These are the methods of affixation from which you can create new words by adding prefix or suffix to the root word. Let's see what is happening here. The root word is 1. How many new words we can create by adding the prefixes or suffixes? If we add NESS with the root word 1, it becomes oneness, and oneness is a new word for us. If we add some before 1, it becomes someone. So now here I am adding before the word, I am adding some words before the word. It means I am adding a prefix. In the very first example, I added a suffix because the extra words are at the end of the word. Let's see in another example. Oneself. Next word. If we add a prefix dis, it becomes a disbelief. And if we add er at the end of believe, it becomes believer. It becomes a new word. Parallel. Next word is parallel. Let's see how many new words we can make from. Anti-parallel. If we add anti before the word parallel, it becomes anti-parallel, which is completely a new word. As well as unparalleled. Justice. If I add in before justice as a prefix, it becomes injustice. If I add a suffix ship at the end of justice, it's become justice ship, which is a new word. Next word is knowledge. If I add the suffix able, it becomes knowledgeable. If I add a and c as prefix, it becomes acknowledge. And the last word is construction. If I add pre before construction, it becomes pre-construction. And if I add or at the end of construction, it becomes constructor. It's a completely a new word. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.